My name is Dimitris Killinger, and I'm a mechanical and nuclear engineering student. So the Mallet Scholarship is given to a student every year, and it's for basically being there for the department, volunteering hours, showing up to events that you don't necessarily have to, even though you have all this homework you have to take care of or you have work. It's just giving time back to your department. So I'm part of ANS, which is American Nuclear Society, and they did a lot of stuff with the Girl Scouts. They would just events on the weekends and the afternoons, and just showing up, being there, basically having a body to move a table or talk to little kids about nuclear engineering, mechanical engineering, that sort of stuff. Also, I'm an engineering ambassador. What that means is prospective students from high schools will come in on the weekends and we would give tours. And Rachel would give us breakfast and coffee. Around 10 o'clock, high school students from all over the region will come in, and the students will break off and go to the departments that they, have a desire to go to. And so, you obviously need tour guides for that. And if any parents or students have any questions, who's better to ask than the students who actually go here. Yeah, the job is with Norfolk Naval Shipyard, and that's a branch of NAVSEA, which is just a government organization for the Navy. I'll be going in as an entry-level engineer, and for the first few months, they'll be giving us training, and this is the submarine, this is the ship, these are the components, this is how it works, that's how this works, this is how they intertwine. And basically at the end of it, you're gonna take a test and you're gonna see where you scored well, and from the top three, they'll ask you, so which one do you wanna work for? And the great thing about it is that if you get tired of it at any point, you can switch and go to another department. It's, worldwide, they're all over the country. Great opportunity for travel, great opportunity to experience new things. VCU in itself, because it's so diverse, you've got all these different ways that the professors teach. They all have different expectations from you because they come from different backgrounds and different schools altogether. And so you kind of have to tailor yourself to each individual professor. So I think that would prepare myself and anyone else who's going to VCU for really any job, just because it's so diverse. So career services played a really big role in getting the job that I have now. Especially Laura Lemza. She was kind of like an on-call career service counselor. I would message her, I would email her at like midnight, get a response back around 4 or 5 in the morning. So I would just send her my resume. She would edit it, send it back. It's like, this is what you should make it look like for applying to company A, whereas this is how you should make it look like for company B, because every company is different. Don't let staying in, studying all the time be a regret you have looking back in college, because that's all college is about. You're here to learn, but you're also here to grow, and you can't just grow in a classroom. You have to go outside and experience everything. Especially at VCU, you have all this opportunity to do it.